Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a dog chasing a cat. So here you can see that I'm using my orange pencil to draw a dog chasing a cat. And I'm using my black pen. Here's my black pen again. In the middle of its mouth, I'm using my orange pen. Now for the coloring, I'm using the same orange pencil. For the rest of it, I'm using my yellow pencil. And I'm using my black marker pen. And I'm drawing its legs. Here's its long tail. Okay, the cat is done. Now let's draw the dog. To draw the dog, I'm using my pencil. Here's my black pen to draw inside its eyes. I'm coloring inside its mouth with my pencil. Here's my black pen again to draw its ears. And I'm using my cyan pen. I'm using my cyan pencil a bit. And for the coloring, I'm using my pencil. It will create a nice gray color. I'm using my black marker pen to draw its legs. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.